Hey there, my graceful learners. Today we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers with different signs. They could be positive, negative, negative, positive. We are going to master them today. If you haven't watched our addition and subtraction video, I request you to watch it first. In our other video, I said that if the first number is positive and second number is also positive, then the operation that we're going to be doing is addition. But here, it's a multiplication video, duh. So we are going to multiply, knock the addition off, and just use its sign. So what that means is, if the first number is positive, the second number is also positive, then you multiply and give the result positive sign. Okay. If the first number is negative and the second number is also negative and then you multiply, the result is going to be positive. Well, if you have a negative bank account and I have a negative bank account, we both are broke, you multiply the bank accounts and it's a positive thing? Two wrongs make it right? Alright, in multiplication, this order doesn't matter. If you're going to multiply 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, the answer is always going to be 6. So if you multiply a positive number with a negative number or a negative number with a positive number, the order doesn't matter. But you know something? The result is going to be negative. Think of it like this. Like you have a positive attitude, you're just walking in a path with positive mindset, and then you bump into a negative pit. Now you fall backwards, and from now on your thoughts are negative. At least for a while. So to wrap it up, two numbers with the same sign, it could be positive, positive, it could be negative, negative. When you multiply them, the result is going to be positive. But if you have two numbers with different signs, like it could be positive, negative or negative, positive, then the result is negative. The one thing to remember here, negative, negative is also positive. Don't forget the simple trick. Alright, let's practice with the problem. Negative 2 multiplied by positive 6. First thing that you got to do is do not look at the signs. Cover it up. Cover the sign negative and positive and just look at the numbers and multiply them. 2 times 6 is 12. Now it's time to uncover the signs, positive and negative. As we have already learned, positive, negative, different signs, the result would be negative. So it's not just 12, it's going to be negative 12. So your answer is negative 12. Pause the video, practice these problems, and then play it and see if you got it right. Comment below if you did. Numbers 2, 7 and 12 do not have a sign in front of them. That means they are positive. Did you know there are two things that can help you with math? One is practicing and other is these little tricks. Hope you learned something today.